How you doing, guys? And welcome back to our winter vacation here in Utah. And yeah, like you see, it's another beautiful day full of snow, and we're gonna take advantage because it's early in the morning and everybody else is sleeping but the girls, and they want to take advantage and take more pictures. Now, that was really brave of them, taking bikini pictures in 19 degrees cold weather. But before everyone gets up, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick tour of the cabin. You know what, guys? I forgot to record the master bedroom. But anyway, let me know what you think about the cabin. To me, it's beautiful. And yep, we just finished having breakfast. And also, have you guys noticed? We don't wear watches or even look at the time. We just eat when we're hungry and do things when we get ready to do them. Like right now, it's in the middle of the day and we just have breakfast and we're playing cards. And for me, so far so good. The trip has turned out to be great. But now we're gonna go ahead and head outside and continue our day. Day, I don't even know what day this is, because I don't even know if it's Monday, Tuesday, weekend. But oh, check this out, guys. These guys going out. We're gonna do that pretty soon next. They're all going out. We'll be out there pretty soon, getting our skis. Oh, the whole clan riding. All right, I likes that. There go Joel. He's already jumping on the ski. I don't know, guys, what you think? Uh-oh, Mad Max Joel. So yeah, I think it's day 4 or 5. I don't even know. So we're here still enjoying the snow. So much things to do here in the actual property that we don't need to go anywhere. So nah, just go track them down. Check this out. Look at this. Look at the snow coming up. Oh, coming off the roof. Pretty cool. Yeah, so much things to do here that we haven't left yet. And look at this. This is interesting. At least to us it is. Look at that. Look at the icicles. I don't even know. Oh, it's pretty hard. Pretty cool. Look at that. It didn't snow last night, but the snow's still packed. Look at that. Yeah, I got my 360 on my head because I'm in love with the camera. The first one I didn't like. If you guys remember, the Fusion,
I didn't like it at all, so I returned it. But this one I love. I'm keeping it because it's great and it's easy. It's easy to edit. So if you guys are looking for a 360, check it out. It's good. So yeah, let me tell you guys the story. Like you guys saw, we got 2 Durangos, a Rubicon, and because of the van, couldn't make it uphill because it's pretty steep. So check out the cabin, guys. It's beautiful. I know you guys, I took the drone out and you know, took an overhead view, and it's beautiful here. It's another cabin there. It's pretty populated here. There's a cabin right next. There's actually 3 cabins next to us. There's 2 down there. There's 1 up there. And if I remember correctly, the one, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but all the way up in the mountain is Sylvester Stallone's cabin up there.
What are you waiting for? Sled. I'm gonna get it right now.
And it's pretty here. I don't know if you guys live around here or actually have snow in your part of town. Let me know. Let me know what you guys do.
It's fun.
My big butt is freezing. We're shooting for Fresco's YouTube channel.
Hey.
Merch. Don't forget to buy. Look how hot you girls will look. Tan tops, long sleeves.
See, you're making the sun. You're making the snow melt.
We also have t-shirts.
All right, so we brought the girls all the way from Miami to Utah, from the sandbar to the snow bar, to go ahead and do a photo shoot here at Utah. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Are they cold? Are they hot? I don't know. Just let me know.
Fresco Channel, Utah!
Okay guys, so remember, if you want to help support the channel, you could buy merchandise at www.frescochannel.com. But let's stop with the pictures, because if you let the girls, we'll be a whole day here, and I want to ride the snowmobile, so let's go. It was a 45-minute drive up the mountain because of all the different trails.
Alright, so we're here at Moose Willow hiking trail, but we don't have the proper, I think those little nets.
Those
you put
snow
on.
boots, the snowshoes.
So let's see how deep this is.
That's pretty deep.
Pretty deep.
Oh yeah.
Joel, come in here. Jump in here. That's packed already. Stand here. See how deep it is for you. Whoa! There you go. Jump in here, right here, Brandon. In there. Maybe we could put a snowman with it. Nah, it's too soft.
No, one by us is already compact.
Let's take a picture, guys.
It was riding.
it was fun sightseeing on top of the mountain and exploring, but it's time to go back down and have fun with the rest of the kids.
Yeah, see, I gotta get the hang of that jump.
Went all the way down the hill. Hey.
Here we're gonna try killing myself.
What?
Oh. Oh. What? Hold up. Nah, I'll be out of here in 2 seconds. Ah. Here we go. Huh? Oh no! It ain't working. It didn't work. See if you can do it.
Watch out!
Oh, wipe out! Look. Woo, that was a good one.
That was clean.
Like you see, everyone's having a great time, but it's getting kind of late and I'm getting kind of hungry.
All right, so we got Master Chef Fresquito en la casa. What you doing?
Making pork fried rice.
Pork fried rice. What does it have in it?
Has ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, carrots, green onions, and onions.
And you know what you're doing?
Now, this is going to be interesting. Fresquito cooking for 11 people. I mean, sometimes he cooks around the house and he does it pretty good. So hopefully today he does his best to feed 11 people. And without a doubt, the food came out really good thanks to him. And while we're here enjoying Fresquito pork fried rice, make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos coming up.
We got a seal. Oh.